During your What Works meeting today, I would like your small team to discuss our current practices around Kid Talks. Please note that I've also tried to add a new name called Student Solutions. Talk about why we have them. I've included the 4 bullet points for the original whys behind Kid Talks. Below that is the Kid Talk or problem-solving protocol that Chad Schmidt shared with us back in 2013 as a way to get teams to address the problem that we have with a student, but more importantly, to move it into a solution or a problem-solving aspect. I've also included in this table all of the past practices that we have gone through. Now, some, yes, I know we were doing Kid Talks long before 2012, but they were housed in the X Drive. I didn't want to go that far back. So just take a look at this. If you'd like to as a team, if you know how we've done this in the past, no need to open any hyperlinks. And just share with each other then practices that you feel were good. What has been working with the teams? That would be in your continue column. Things that you're like, okay, that is a tired model. We're not doing it anymore. Stop. And then things that you would like us to start. What haven't we done that you think would be beneficial in moving our students or our problems along to be solution oriented instead? So just continue this document. I will include a spot probably right here, name of team members, so that we make sure all voices have been heard in this process. Our admin team will take a look at these, and then we will compile what our Kid Talk protocol should look like for next school year. If you have any questions, just go ahead, email me. I've got the documents so I can read them. You could put your questions on there as well. Thanks, and have a good day.